I'm honored to present the Educator of the Year Award from the Hanover Public School District to Mr. Nick Minnick. Nick Minnick has been an integral part of the Technology Education Department at Hanover High School for the past 7 years. His talents and expertise have helped the high school build a robust and successful career and technical education program. As one of 2 welding and machining instructors, Nick has worked extremely hard to obtain numerous National Institute of Metalworking Skills (NIMS) certifications and NOCTI certifications. Additionally, he will be completing his NOCTI welding performance exam in the next month. In the high school welding lab, Nick spends over 360 hours per year preparing his students for the NOCTI exam. In order for students to be successful on this exam, Nick must meticulously progress students through a comprehensive Pennsylvania Department of Education approved task grid in order to assure that they have mastered all of the content. Mr. Minnick has developed an outstanding engineering and robotics curriculum at Hanover High School. Students participate in open-ended, project-based, and design-challenged learning experiences where they design and build drivetrains and gear systems for robots. Mr. Minnick challenges himself to continue to learn more about robotics and modifies the curriculum accordingly. Additionally, Mr. Minnick has also designed and launched a mechatronics curriculum by collaborating with mechatronics instructors at Harrisburg Area Community College, Gettysburg, to develop a foundation for the program. He continued his collaboration with the maintenance managers within the Industrial Maintenance Department at Utz Quality Foods, while modifying the curriculum in real time based on feedback. Nick uses the knowledge he gains from industry tours and partnerships with area manufacturers to produce industry standard equipment and to meet workforce demands. Finally, Mr. Minnick is most proud of watching his students graduate Hanover High School prepared for a successful transition into career and/or college. A recent graduate of Mr. Minnick's mechatronics program is currently working in the Industrial Maintenance Department at Utz Quality Foods, enrolled in the Gettysburg Mechatronics Associate's Degree program, and was awarded 8 college credits based on coursework in the high school. 2 recent graduates are NOCTI advanced welders who both work full-time for Riley Welding and Fabricating, and another student is working full-time at Elsner Engineering Works Incorporated as a CNC machinist. On behalf of Dr. John Scola and the Hanover Public School District, we would like to congratulate Mr. Nick Minnick for all of his efforts and hard work for the fortunate students of Hanover High School. We are proud of Nick and look forward to many years of student successes and achievements. Thank you.